Hello everyone, welcome back. This is still day one, and in this video I want you guys to open your command line quickly. And in the first video I showed you how to check your Python version by just typing Python, and then this um test is output with the this test is printed with the version of Python. But then after that, after all this information, we can see there's this three arrow after it with this caret stuff, or that short line blinking in the console or in the command line. So what this is, it's called the REPL. So REPL stands for read, evaluate, print, and loop. So it's just basically an interface that allows us to write some little code and then loops back to the initial state of the REPL. So what I'll do now is just type 5 and then press enter. Now you can see after outputting the 5 in the terminal or the command line, it goes back to its initial state. So we can write some Python code here, just the same way we were able to print stuff in our IDE. We can still do the same thing here, just by printing let's say 5. Now you can see 5 is being printed back. We can still do some arithmetic operation here. 5 plus 5, 10. We can just print stuff like hello, like this, and then you can see hello is being printed in the terminal. So this is the REPL, and to exit the REPL, you just on Windows, you just press Ctrl Z and then enter. I'm not using a Mac, so for Mac users, you have to go and search that. I'm sure it's also Command Z as well. There's no doubt about that. Anyways, that's basically an overview of the REPL in Python.